Hello drifters, what is up? Sorry you hear my dad in the background, he's in the middle of a call. Nothing I can do about it. So today we've got a special video, which is the OPPO Find X3 Pro, which is the newer version of last year's great Find X2 Pro. Okay, so if we click on learn more here, okay, it brings us to this. And it says OPPO Find X3 Pro Awaken Color. Okay, so capture the colors of the world in their truest form with the revolutionary Find X3 Pro. Rich tones and deep hues combine to illuminate the road to the future. So let's watch this quick film. So that was just a quick little introductory video. So 1 billion colors, infinite possibilities. So dual primary cameras, a story in every picture. So what they did was they used the same camera on both the ultra wide and the main. That's crazy. So it's both 50 megapixels. Okay, and then dive into the whole spectrum. Find X3 Pro 50 megapixel camera makes shooting the world in true color easy, so you can capture memories in the moment, store intended color, and relieve them in spectacular quality later. Immersive atmospherics. So look at the difference between those two. This one is more green, and this one's like brighter and less green, which is good. Makes it more vibrant. And then you're the director. So if we click watch the film, okay, I don't know what that was all about, but whatever. So they have a cinematic mode. Then they have instant magic. It has an AI palette, so that's good. And then 1 billion color display. So 10-bit full color paths color, full path color engine, and then color vision enhancement. That's normal vision, that's partial loss of red color vision, that's after color vision enhancement. So look at the differences, they're crazy. And yeah, so we'll talk about the different and how they do it. Color science from OPPO or OPPO. Then inspired by spacecraft. So they have gloss black and blue. Okay, eyes on our future. In a world that never stands still, OPPO's design studio is always looking to the future. Find X3 Pro's impossibly streamlined curves artfully evoke spacecraft and the technology of tomorrow. I don't know. I mean, it's nice. Glass shaped to our vision. So they're going to talk about the curved glass. Unfazed by splashes. So they have IP68 water and dust resistance. The power of 4 cameras. Capture every moment. So this is the cool thing about this phone. They have a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Okay. The wide camera, which is the main camera, 50 megapixels, it's the exact same camera. Then they have a micro lens. So it's like it can actually capture not macro but micro. So it's like a microscope in a phone. Okay, and then they have a small telephoto camera. Alright, so this is off and this is on. So yeah. Then they have a micro lens. So you see this and this might actually be good for like wallpapers and stuff. AI highlight video. So that's off and that's on. See, this is much brighter than this one. Transcendent video, flash snapshot, clarity in motion, cool. Selfie camera, raw plus. See how it brightens it? Unlock more raw plus. Unlock more with raw plus. And the breathtaking display. It's going to talk about 120 hertz. All that. Cool. Unparalleled performance designed to make life easy. Okay, so they have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. 65 watt Super VOOC flash charge. Okay. They have focused gaming, so they have like a gaming mode. ColorOS 11.2. Yeah. Borderless design, art plus wallpapers, sound by Hans Zimmer. Fingerprint quick launch. Interesting. 3-finger translate. Private system. Interesting. So I think these are videos. Let's see. Oh, so it's like you put your finger in the same position and you can get to the launching page, and then 3-finger translate. So you basically drag down with 3 fingers and it'll translate to whatever. Translated. That's so cool. And we just hit X. And then this last one is private system. So they're just going to talk about the fingerprint scanner. And then OPPO premium service. Okay. So yeah, that is the OPPO Find X3 Pro. It's a very nice phone. I wouldn't say it's necessarily cheap, but it's a good phone to get if you're interested in different cameras and a good overall phone. Hope you guys like this video. Go down to the description to get the direct link to the OPPO website for the Find X3 Pro. Also, hit the subscribe please and hit the like. Really helps out my channel. Hope you guys like this video. What was my saying again? Sorry. I am locking. Sorry, this might be different. I am locking out.